Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Here we're going to show you our custom Ford Ranger. Kind of got the Baja package on it where you can put the fenders and the box side on it to give it that look, and of course the bumper. Got the spare mounted in the back of the bed. But so trucking, just nothing fancy about it, but something you can go out and have some fun with. And definitely you'll know which one yours is in the parking lot. It's got a tear in the seat here. Got a unique shifter lever, 5-speed manual, 208 478, which, as we all know on these Rangers, they seem to run forever. So it does have the 4-liter, so bulletproof type motor. Custom wheels, 15-inch tires. They're, I believe they're 12 by 1150s. So then, like I said, there you got the Baja type mount for the spare. No tailgate. Like I said, this is kind of a bolt-on thing that goes over your box side, so it gives you that Baja look with the wide appearance. So it's got a few nicks and scratches, been painted sand color, but it isn't rusty because it came out of Arizona. So no rust issues on it. So if you're looking for something kind of unique in a truck, 4-wheel drive, 4-liter, it'll be kind of an attention getter and a dependable driver. 605-695-7391.